Hi, my name is Kristin Leavoy and I work with the events team here at MD Expo. We're excited to have you presenting with us at the upcoming conference, October 8th through 10th at Mohegan Sun in Connecticut. I wanted to provide you some background on the conference and also provide some tips as you plan your presentation. First off, I wanted to give you a little bit of a demographic profile on who is going to be attending your sessions. MD Expo, of course, is the conference for biomedical and healthcare technology management professionals. So what does that consist of? We have about 40% of our audience that will be managers and directors of HTM departments. The other 30% will be certified biomedical equipment technicians, CVETs or BMETs, service professionals. We'll also have a compilation of vendors and ISOs as well as students. Now, as you prepare the presentation, please keep the following items in mind. Some suggestions on what to include in your presentation. Make the presentations broad, not just for management or for service, but a combination of both. And avoid history lessons. Talk about how to implement your ideas from today moving forward. Handouts are not required for your presentation, but if they help illustrate a point, then feel free to use them. A PowerPoint presentation is expected. Do not overload slides with text. Keep slides clean and simple. Use bullet points. Regarding presentation content, please be advised that presentations should not include any reference to a particular product, service, or organization that could be construed as promotional, marketing, or self-serving. We can include that to adhere to the guidelines of the ACI and continuing education credit. Please also ensure that PowerPoint slides have a 16:9 ratio. That will ensure that they display properly on site. Your PowerPoint presentation will be preloaded onto the conference laptop at the start of your presentation, so we are unable to make any updates to the presentation on site. A PowerPoint template will be provided for your convenience, but it is not required for use. We would also like to record your presentation in a webinar format. This will just be recording the PowerPoint slide that's on display for your presentation, along with the audio from your voice. There will not be a video camera in the room.
You can see that business associates are growing. And if we go to the next slide, you can see that the number of records.
We find that attendees routinely ask for these presentations to be recorded because since we offer education concurrently, they can only attend one session in each given time slot. This allows them to see other presentations that they might have been interested in attending but were unable to view. Regarding the technology that will be provided for your presentation, we'll of course have a projector and a screen in the room, but we'll also have a conference laptop that we provide. This will be preloaded with your presentation that you send to us in advance of the conference. We'll also provide a clicker as well as a wireless lavalier. If for some reason you need to use your own personal laptop, please advise me well in advance of the conference. We will have to allow for additional setup time to accommodate this request. I'll be sending out more details, but keep in mind the deadline for presentations to be submitted in advance of the conference is Monday, September 30th. Okay, it's showtime. On the day of your presentation, please arrive no less than 30 minutes before the start of your session. When you arrive, visit the MD Expo registration desk. We'll provide your badge as well as the name of the room where your session is taking place. You will also have a room ambassador for your presentation. This person will ensure that your presentation displays correctly as well as performs an audio check. Your room ambassador will also introduce you to the audience and kick off the session. The session length should be 60 minutes. This is at least 50 minutes of content and 10 minutes for Q&A. We have to adhere to this time frame in order to provide the 1 CE credit that we are earned from the ACI. Okay, that's all the tips and tricks I have. We're excited to have you presenting at the conference this year. We know that you have a vast wealth of knowledge to share with our attendees, and they're looking forward to learning more from you. If you have any questions or you need any assistance as you plan for the conference, don't hesitate to reach out. If not, we'll see you in the fall. Take care.